What kind of soap should I use to clean suede shoes?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing an important question. What kind of soap should I use to clean suede shoes? If you're a suede shoe lover like me, you probably want to keep them looking fresh and clean. Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of suede shoe care.
Understanding suede.
Before we talk about cleaning, let's quickly understand what suede is. Suede is a type of leather that has a soft, napped surface. It's known for its luxurious feel and velvety appearance. However, it's also more delicate and prone to stains compared to other types of leather. Therefore, it's essential to handle suede shoes with care and use the right cleaning methods.
Choosing the right soap.
When it comes to cleaning suede shoes, choosing the right soap is crucial. You'll want to avoid harsh chemicals or strong detergents that can damage the delicate suede fibers. Instead, opt for a mild and gentle soap specifically designed for suede or delicate materials. Look for soaps that are labeled as suede cleaners or leather cleaners, as they are formulated to be safe for use on suede.
How to clean suede shoes.
Now that you have the right soap, let's discuss the process of cleaning suede shoes. Step 1. Remove dirt and dust. Start by using a suede brush or a soft bristled brush to gently remove any dirt or dust from the surface of the shoes. Brush in one direction to avoid damaging the nap of the suede. Step 2. Spot cleaning. For small stains or spots, you can create a cleaning solution by mixing a small amount of the mild suede soap with water. Remember, it's crucial to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer of the suede cleaner. Using a clean cloth or sponge, gently dab the cleaning solution onto the stained area. Avoid rubbing vigorously, as this can cause further damage. Step 3. Overall cleaning. If your suede shoes require an overall cleaning rather than just spot cleaning, you can use a suede cleaner kit that typically includes a specialized suede brush and eraser. Follow the instructions on the kit to gently scrub the surface of the shoes using the brush and use the eraser to remove any stubborn stains or scuffs. Step 4. Drying and brushing. After cleaning, allow your suede shoes to air dry naturally away from direct heat sources. Avoid using a hairdryer or placing them in direct sunlight. Once they are completely dry, use a suede brush to restore the nap and remove any remaining residue. And there you have it. When it comes to cleaning suede shoes, it's important to choose the right soap specifically formulated for suede or delicate materials. Remember to always follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer of the cleaning products you use. With proper care and maintenance, your suede shoes will continue to look stylish and last for a long time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Happy suede shoe cleaning!